2025 Infiniti QX80 has been officially announced, and it's getting a major overhaul. Most importantly, it ditches the aging 5.6L naturally aspirated V8 in favor of a brand new 3.5L twin-turbocharged V6 petrol engine, internally coded VR35 DDTT. This engine outputs 335 kilowatts, a solid 37 kilowatts increase over the outgoing V8. Torque is also significantly up, rising by 138 Nm to a total of 698 Nm. That's a big jump, and it puts the QX80 ahead of several key rivals. Compared to the Land Cruiser 300's twin-turbo diesel, the QX80 delivers 108 kilowatts more power, although it falls 2 Nm short on torque. Against the Lexus LX600's twin-turbo petrol V6, the QX80 holds a 30 kilowatts and 50 Nm advantage. Alongside the engine upgrade, Infiniti is replacing the old 7-speed automatic with a new 9-speed torque converter automatic. The wider gear ratios will improve both acceleration and efficiency. The VR35 DDTT engine is an evolution of the 3.0L VR30 DDTT found in the Nissan Z, but with more displacement and tuning for SUV use. Expect stronger low-end torque and better cooling. For heavy-duty applications like towing, design-wise, the QX80 follows the QX Monograph Concept, which previewed slimmer headlights, hidden door handles, and a more sculpted body. This marks a clear shift to a premium look. The interior sees major upgrades too: a fully redesigned cabin, quieter thanks to increased torsional rigidity, and features like air suspension with adaptive dampers. Ride comfort and cabin noise isolation have been significantly improved. This QX80 also serves as a preview of the upcoming Y63 Nissan Patrol, which will share many components, including the engine and platform. However, the Patrol will differ in a few key ways. Spy shots reveal conventional door handles, larger headlights, and a more rugged exterior. A prototype shown to us dealers reportedly had strong Range Rover vibes with a modernized box aesthetic. The Patrol's interior will also be revamped, with a more tech-forward and functional design. While the QX80 will focus on luxury, the Patrol will retain its off-road roots, likely keeping a low-range transfer case and locking differentials. The Infiniti QX80 is set to make its full debut on March 21, 2025 AOS time, just before the New York Auto Show. The Nissan Patrol Y63 will be revealed a few months after and will hit Australian markets by late 2025 or early 2026. Both vehicles will push Nissan and Infiniti into a new era, combining twin-turbo V6 efficiency with performance that either matches or surpasses the outgoing V8 South.